Hi, this is the OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to activate AD option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD feature, that's why let's open the Play Store to get the Muviz Edge application from here. So enter the Muviz Edge and now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap the open tab and click to draw over apps. Find Muviz Edge, click on the switcher and go back twice. Switch edge lights to 80 and select one from the available options. Click to apply. And now let's lock the device and we could see that this option successfully activated. So thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.